Hello friends, today we will discuss about user input in C. So how we can input some data in C. In this case we are using scanf function. So suppose we have one variable that we are assigning just value 20 and we are just printing this data printf percentage d comma x. We are just print the data. Okay, so here we are assigning the value x equal to 20. Suppose the user need to input the value x. So how we can do that? Okay, so here we are using scanner function, scanner percentage d, and here we are telling the address of x and x. Before that we are just telling one printf statement, printf and the number, new line slash. Okay, we can just run this code, enter the number. We are telling print. Then again value is predicted. So using scanf we are assigning value to this x and we are just printing the data. Okay, so this way we can input an integer value. Suppose here we are using float. We are telling enter price. Then float means it is percentage f and we are putting the price percentage f. Price equal to percentage of x. So this is float. We are telling here percentage f and we are printing the data using percentage f and x. Just run this code, enter the price 20.56. Then price is 20.55 up to 6 digit. We need to get this in 2 digit, then we can tell 0.2. Enter the price 50.678. Price is 50.68. Okay, this way we can scan float data. Suppose we are using character. So char grade. And enter your grade. Then scanf. Scanf. You can use percentage and you can use and grade. Then printf grade equal to, you can tell, percentage C grade, right? We can just run this code, enter your grade, it is B grade, grade equal to B. So this way we can scan single character. Suppose here we are using name character array. Here we can declare name 50 character. Enter your name. In string we can directly use name only. Here we can use percentage S. Name equal to percentage S. We can use name. So we declared character array name. Just print off the data and scan using percentage S. We have scanned the name. And again we are printing the data. Okay. You can just run this code. Enter your name. Basic. So name is equal to basic. So this is working. But scanf function has one limitations. We can run this code. Enter your name. We are telling you basic space code. Then we'll just enter. See, we are getting name equal to basic only. We are not getting coding here. So here white space or tab, anything is there, then it will not get, we will not get the proper data. Okay. So in that case, we need to use other function, that is fgets. Here we can use fgets variable name, length is equal to 50, and we are even one standard output function stdin. Now we are just run this code. So we need to put semicolon. Enter your name. Basic coding. Standard. Now we are getting name equal to basic coding. Okay. We need to remove this hard-coded value. Then we need to use size of operator. Size of name, right? So we'll get 50 here. We'll again run this. Enter your name, basic space coding. Now also we are getting the output, basic coding. Okay. Okay. Thank you guys. Please subscribe.